Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials: a powered Philips Hue bulb, the Hue bridge for full HomeKit support, and the Hue app on your iPhone. Plug the bridge into your router and wait for the LEDs to stabilize. This lets HomeKit see multiple bulbs through one accessory. Once the app is installed, sign in to restore settings or create an account. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network so the Home app can discover the bridge when we add it. You'll now add each bulb inside the Hue app and prepare HomeKit pairing. In Hue, choose Add Light, let the app detect the bulb, then apply any firmware updates. This prevents pairing issues. Group bulbs into rooms and give clear names so Siri recognizes them. Next, find the HomeKit setup code, either in the app under Settings or printed on the bridge or box, because the Home app will ask for it. Once done, you're ready to move into the Home app to complete pairing. Finish by opening the Apple Home app, tapping the plus sign, and choosing Add Accessory. Scan or enter the HomeKit code you located. Assign the accessory to a room and test on /off, dimming, and Siri commands to confirm responsiveness. Create a scene or automation to make sure schedules and voice control work. If pairing fails, restart the bridge, router, and phone, reset the bulb by power cycling if needed, and verify your network is 4 GHz and both devices are on the same network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.